Good morning, my YouTube family. I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back. Blessed morning. I know you guys are getting a different point of view right now. Totally different, and it's something new. This is what we call point of view. Yeah. So, remember the load I pick up from the Mexico border that come across in the US? We are finally 3.8 miles away from our drop-off point right now. So we're about to drop. This is a drop-in hook. Drop-in hook for me is king. You drop the loaded trailer, you pick up an empty trailer, you keep it moving. I have another pickup about an hour and 30 minutes away from here. It's 2-stopper going to Alabama, picking up in South Carolina, 2 stops in Alabama. Don't have nothing yet after that. So yeah, I liking the view. You're actually seeing it from the driver's view of the truck seats. Yeah, so we've been driving since 4 a.m. this morning. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, drop this trailer, shoot out of here, go pick up our loaded trailer. We're gonna take a little break, get some food in the system, you know. What else? Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna try to match up how tomorrow gonna look after I drop this load. I don't have nothing booked yet after I drop off, after I do those 2 stops tomorrow. But once I pick that trailer up, I will more so know what I'm gonna do. Because I'm not too sure how this load is gonna go. But when I pick it up, I can match it. I can do some math on how you know, the day gonna go tomorrow, and then how I could picture the rest of my week going forward, if that makes sense. You know, so yeah, I think I gotta assist with unloading, which I don't mind. Keep me active, I guess, somewhat. So yeah, that's that right now. So we're about like 2 miles away right now. We're approaching, so I'm gonna get back to y'all once I actually get in there to pick this trailer up. So see you guys in a minute. Just giving y'all the update. We here though. All right, so we here to drop the trailer off. I seen an empty trailer already. I was trying to look for a spot 6126 to drop this trailer in, and then we out. Seeing them on the opposite side of the building. Okay, looking for 6126, which will be somewhere right off. Almost right next to JB Hunt in the motor. Only thing with this is they make you slide the tandems at the gate. Yeah, so my next stop is like an hour, almost 2 hours away. So yeah. Already submit my paperwork. Remember, my next stop is a drop-in hook.
It's covered by most of it. It's time to put it
So that's a plus. So y'all about to get a good view of how it is. They got my 2 straps in the trailer, but luckily I got a dozen of them. Yeah. Just gonna drop this, get out here. I already got my paperwork signed. Emailed it over to the broker. So you off this to go.
You can get a free Galaxy A15 5G.
Alright, so
With Boost Mobile, you can get 4 unlimited
So from our next stop, we're an hour and 42 minutes. We'll be there by 1:30. Not too bad. This is a drop-in hook too as well. So well, they got some trailers on the opposing side, but I already seen a Landstar trailer when I was coming in already with the doors wide open. And because I'm not too much, oh man, because I'm not, sorry about the radio, because I'm not too worried about the what trailer I'm getting or what a trailer I might have. I'm just dropping that trailer at the next yard that I'm going to, so I don't care. But yeah, this is Lowe's Distribution Center here in Macon, Georgia, I believe it is. Yeah, so yeah, that's that. Yeah, I'm tagging along though for the day. Alright, that's the oh yeah, take that eye. To that spot. I'll be there by 1:30. I'm gonna try to run my clock as far as possible to bring me, and then you know, shut down. I'm gonna try to shut down early so I get up early. Once I pick this trailer up though, I'm gonna show you how it is to book a load or whatever. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see. Let's see a few loads. Some going to Maryland. I do want to go home for the weekend. I've been out 2 weeks now. I guess, you know, that's how it is. I did promise my son a gift from school for what his grades were. So, you know, I want to get him out to, you know, get the kid off my back. You know, so this is the trailer we're going to be getting. I'm about to send this to the agent that I booked the other load for, because she needs the trailer number that I'm dropping off. So I'm about to send her that in a second. Send her that. Perfect. All right. Gotta send emails, let people know what's going on with what, the trailer's being, this, that, you know. You always got to be transparent with the brokers. You want to give them good customer service, just so when they go back again, they won't hesitate to give you the work. They'll be like, oh yeah, I remember this guy. It was very pleasant, somebody. You know? All right. Trailer light up. Want to check to see if it's locked underneath here. Yep, it's locked. You probably can't see it, but the thing that clamps the pin underneath the trailer to the truck, I always like to make sure that it's locked. Let's see. No air hasn't built up in it yet, so it is what it is. Oh, I'm definitely taking that strap when I drop this trailer off. Definitely. Tires has air in it, so that's a plus. Tires seem good. I'm gonna leave one door open, so you might want to check it when I'm leaving. So hopefully by the time I get down there I can slide the tandems and we'll be good. Mexico, successful delivery, no hiccups upon the way. Everything worked out smooth. So now we have a 2-stopper in Alabama. We're about to pick up in Orangeburg, South Carolina. That's the next work. That's gonna be, you know, it shouldn't be that bad. I hope. I don't know what I'm hauling or what I'm pulling. I do see something in the email saying it's driver assist, which means I have to help them offload it. But I don't mind, because next day delivery, you know, that's tomorrow basically my cutoff day to get paid for the following day. That load is running me what, $13.86, and my daily minimum that I try to work for is $1,200 a day. So, you know, as long as I'm meeting my daily requirements, I'm gonna be honest, I have no issues. So that's that. Yeah, that's that with that. So we're good. So we're still taking some time to get air in. No. I don't know if I gotta check the trailer or anything. That's why.
It's empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
What's your name?
Sean.
Who?
Sean, S-H-A-W-N.
Last name?
Reynolds. Reynolds, R-E-Y-N-O-L-D-S.
What's your phone number?
442.
And you said it's empty?
Yeah, it's empty.
What's your license number?
My license number, the last four? What? Oh shit, hold on.
Is the door already open?
Yeah, one of the doors is open, yeah. The last 0932.
Alright, you can pull up so I can check.
Alright. Stop, I'm a trip. I want to slide these tennis, so I ain't gonna hold you. I'm trying to. Whatever fragrance you use, it's strong. So the pins is pulled, I can slot those all the way in. The office. Sir, don't be too close to my back. What I just said. All right, people, so we got the empty trailer. Guess what's gonna happen here? You wanna know? I'm gonna catch y'all back at the shipper. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna catch y'all back at the shipper. I'm picking up my next load at. So listen, stay blessed, stay positive, and listen, always put God first. Never forget it. Peace. And we back again, people. I am arrived at the shipper. I arrived at my drop-in hook location. I'm just trying to figure out what building it is right now. just trying to figure out what building it is right now. I think this is 319. Yep. Let's see what this says. Truck entrance, shipping and receiving straight down. Perfect. So people, oh my God, let me tell you, God is so good. Why? I was looking for a load, right? Because after I complete this load, I'm like, yo, what am I gonna get to do? Like, I don't have nothing booked. Man, we going to Florida for Friday and back to Georgia. Man, what the? All right. Oh, okay. Yeah, we going to Florida. And then back to Georgia, but what the heck was that? You heard that, right? I know I'm not bugging. Did I run something? I think I ran something over. Yeah, I think I ran something over. I'm about to say, please, we don't need any hiccups right now. So, I'm gonna see if I can give you a little glimpse. I know I should be doing this, but I don't know if y'all can even. All right, I'll wait. I'm just too eager. But yeah, we got a good paying load. And whatever, after we finish this load, it's a multi-stop. We're picking up in Alabama, not too far from where we're dropping off at our last stop. And we got manufacturing plants, shipping and receiving. We got 2 stops in Florida, 1 in Georgia. So that's gonna run us until Friday. We don't have anything after Friday. So, you know, that's what we're gonna start working on next eventually. But man, that load next day, basically next day delivery, is paying $2,500. I love to start my new pay week like that. Oh man, the blessing don't stop. I do want to go over the weekend. I do have some things I have to take care of, but man, sometimes it just is what it is. So I'm pulling up on 319 right now. All right, yeah. Let's see what's going on here. So let me get back to y'all in a minute on that one. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, bet. I'm back again. So I know where my trailer is to go find. I'm about to drop this trailer in a spot. I just realized some of these spots have doors in it, but it seems like Landstar have this account on lock. The amount of moving spaces, I mean, Landstar trailers they got. Alright, maybe this is a spot right here. I wanted to park. I gotta go back down where I was at. It was on the spot. You see what it was? I misjudged the spot. But it was a spot, but it really wasn't. I'm only going slow because I'm gonna knock this thing up right here. That lady not even too caring. I don't care. Yeah, but yeah. Honestly, this is a very fierce thing for me to look right now. Very, very, very distasteful thing. Well, guess what? Sometimes you gotta be very distasteful. Alright, let me see something. So we here, what's the trailer number we picking up? 479. I don't see it. Oh. Probably down more. 479. I think I see it down there. But we golden though, people. We golden. So we got dropping hooks right now is winning. Best believe. My dropping hook loads is winning. These loads is paying good. This is the next day 13, but I got another next day paying 25. Come on. I realize I'm wheeling this bad boy. Oh yeah, she said to slide the tandems. I'm not gonna be that bad. Oh man, another day, man. It's warm. Yeah, a little loud, but tandems are slid, doors are open. So now let me show you what I use. Sometimes I don't always go underneath there and pull that pin. Sometimes I use my thing right here. Pick up my business, same way, you know, appreciate. I have this little pulley thing here that I use. Pull the pin, you see, pin pull, push that back in. Sometimes I just use my arm just because, you know, whatever. Yeah boy, that lady put that load on me, all right. Yes sirree. I'm gonna creep because I want to conserve as much time that I have. Yeah, there we go. Alright, bet. This trail looking for is 479. Is the last couple numbers. Let's put in the address though. 479 for our delivery. Address 2517 2nd Street West. And we're going to Birmingham. Alright, let's see how far. Make sure the zip code is the right 35. Yep. Looking for 479. There it is. 692 479. That's it right. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. So somebody forklifted the crap out of that trailer. Damn. 6 hours away. We're gonna drive 2 hours today. And yeah, do the rest in the morning. I'll shut down at 5. I'll get my time back at 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. You know. Jeez. Okay. Let's go see something, guys. Something didn't sound right for some particular reason. Yo, look at this trailer, bro. Like a forklift. I don't know. All right. let's connect up real quick, guys, because this trailer already seems like it's a when is the inspection? 7/24. This needs an inspection too. But unfortunately, we really won't have time to do an inspection. One thing with Landstar, you do an inspection on the trailer, they pay you to do the inspection on the trailer. So that's not too bad. It's like $100. But hey, every dollar counts, you know. Turn on our lights. Let's push the air pin in. Put the air in. So you can see what's going on. All right, so this is a pre-trip when you first look into a trailer. Boom. We're gonna go underneath here. This is locked. I can't really see, so. This flashlight. All right. Yep, the trailer is locked. On. So that's plus. All right. Besides some 2 giant holes in the board of the trailer, seems all right. It was overdue for inspection. Always put the pin in and put the handle in there, because yeah, police pull you over, it is a violation. This is an older trailer. What? Wait, what? Okay. I think it's load. I don't know. Is this supposed to be empty? I can't remember. Huh? Trailer must be empty and free of debris, trash. Schedule appointment. I don't get what I'm doing. @landstarmail.com. I don't know if this was supposed to be empty or what, like. The heck? Shipper. The trailer is going empty, like, wait, good taping? Alright. People. Alright, so the broker said she made a mistake on the trailer number that she gave me. Because, boy, I tell you, I was like, huh? 22. Don't see that trailer. Oh my God, 6722. Oh, all right, I gotta disconnect from this trailer now. This dang on broker. Y'all seeing good? Okay, I'm seeing good. Hey, I'm over here like, yo, the trailer is empty. Like, what? She's like, oh, I gave you the wrong, I forgot to update the trailer number. I'm like, yo. Hey, it is what it is. Oh. I'm gonna start checking these trailers before I start hooking. It cut me some time off of doing this extra stuff, man. Come on. Damn. Man. Sheesh. Brake. People always remember to put the brakes on. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh my god, I should have. More was popping my ear mad loud, bro. Damn. Alright. Man, you got me messed up right now, bro. I'm gonna tell you. Alright. Man. Oh man. Man, bro, that joint popped in my ear. Eardrum ringing. That trailer. These trailers. Dang. I'm sorry. 6, 7. Okay, there it goes. It's down there. Okay. One of the other trailers. Y'all seen everything all right? I'm not trying to move my driving clock because I want to run my clock. I want to run it. Drop 2 6 again. 4, 8. Alright, so there we go. Alright, 6, 7, 2, 2, 5, 5. Alright, there goes my trailer. Sorry about that, people. It's just one of those days. You know. Alright. So I think this one was up to date. Inspection and all of that. Alright. But people, listen. I got the trailer. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I stop driving. Alright? I'm gonna take this call. Peace. Good morning. You are back again. You know. People, good morning. How are you doing this wonderful day? Boy. I remember the drop and hook that we did. We picked the trailer up. We're going to get the live unloaded with the 2 stops. So while I'm en route to go do my delivery, man, did the unexpected happen to me this morning. Did the unexpected happen to me this morning? Did it happen? It surely did happen. Look at this. Tire out. My tire completely blew while I was driving. This is about to run me a good $500. Easy. I was just driving. It didn't make a big pop noise, but I just started seeing smoke come through my mirrors, and then that happened. And then my mud flap is bent up. I already called my roadside. Shout out to Rig Nation. I called them. They're working on it right now to get somebody out here ASAP, because I do got this load I got to deliver. I'm about to reach out to this agent. Let me check out anything else in here. This tire is good. Yeah, if you realize the tire completely gone. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put a brand new tire on though. Definitely. Let me check the opposite side. Definitely gonna put a new tire on today. So that's that right now. We're about an hour away from our delivery. I am in a different time zone. I'm in Central time zone, so that's just part of the game, people. So listen, when a truck get here to repair the tire, I'm gonna let y'all see all of that. I'm gonna make you come pay this bill. Y'all gonna have to pay something for once, car. Y'all can't just be leaving all the stress on me. Yeah. But listen, I'll be back. I'll get back to you when the tow truck get here, fortunately. I mean, not the tow truck, the tire repair people get here to swap my tire. So listen, it's a blessed morning, no matter how bad things may be. And look, I got a headset on. No matter how bad things may be, it's still a blessing to be alive. So listen, put God first and always believe. Thank you. Have a good day. And I will get back to you when my tire get changed. Peace. People, I'm back. Yo, remember you didn't see the tire pop? I couldn't even video it. Man, I got big up to the hardworking. Big up to all hardworking people. You know why? Because when you start off and I do something, it's a struggle. So when my tire did pop, I get a new tire. It's not a drive tire, it's a trailer tire. But I appreciate it still. The guy will come out and help me, I appreciate it still. Look. You get the tire, right? It change. Whatever. I don't care. You know, the man flap it, I go on. But, yo, I shout out to the guy there, man. I can't remember his name. Cool guy. But, yo, bro. It took 5 hours. 5 living hours. You think I lie, man? I tell you, I'm going to show you. Because I'm not lying. Look. Look, you see? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour and change. The man coming in him car. If that man was starting business, make a real reason, please. A man was starting business, right? I respect that because same way me start a business and the man is him and the next guy. Him come in personal car. He meet up with me, so I say alright, cool, whatever. I'm not to wash my face. Him leave and him come back. I see him come back again now. So I see him fly him chunks. So I say alright, don't have a tire. He say he's waiting on the guy come. Imagine now that's 7 o'clock. Alright, 7 o'clock him come, him say whatever, look on the truck, him say alright, I get the tire, come back. At 7:30 him come back, I say the guy will be in 15 minutes. I say alright, cool, no problem. I say 8 o'clock come. I say 9 o'clock come. I say 10 o'clock come. I say but that. So what the man there? Where him did there? Answer me now. Me no know. Him come, alright, him have like a F-150, like a hitch. Big him up still. I'm not gonna bash him. The youth, it was working, it was trying. You know, as you can see, say he's not used to this stuff. Big him up still. We're not gonna bash him. You know, big him up. But 5 hours was really long. Cause right now, because I don't know if I check my email or make a phone call it to see what's my plan after this because I'm very behind right now. So I look update. The tire fix. We at the first stop. I just start, you know me already. I just turn on, I look sang them. Fucking do. I just turned on some pleasant music and I started taking on the road. Yeah, but I'm here. Almost 12 o'clock because this is Central Time Zone. It's almost 12 o'clock. So, but the Eastern Time Zone is 1, Central is to 12. Big up the guy well, me still. I appreciate it. I pay me money, run me. Let me show you when it run me. So I have this thing, a protection that I put on I pay every month, $50 a month. It's called Rig Nation. If you're a truck driver and you want to go, they will find somebody to come out to you quick. You need towing, light mechanic, anything. Shout out to Rig Nation. Yes, I call them after 5 this morning. My boy from Rig Nation hit me up. He sought me out. Why? Pause. No sort out for me. He helped me out. He made some phone calls. He got to that guy was the quickest person to get to me. He said, yo, this is the quickest person I get to. I know you got to go. I know you got to load. And do his thing. Big him up. Let me show you in a bit. You need for like, someone can like and subscribe, someone can pay the look up. I'm not going to curse. I'm not going to curse. I don't know if you guys will see it. But Rig Nation made me save $200, right? Rig Nation, shout them out. Look. $4.95. It's a brand new. It's not a drive type, but it's a trailer type. It's still good. It's still a good work. Brand new. It's not recap. $4.95. Rig Nation paid the other $200.
So if you do them at 4 and 6, how much? That's $6.95 I would have paid if I didn't have Brig Nation. So big up Brig Nation for the help and the support. Also, people, I gotta be back. I gotta go. I gotta figure out what's my next move. So listen, I'm gonna show you what's going on in there. But I need to make some phone calls. So listen, I'll be back. We out. I'm back for a second again. I'm just gonna show you what's going on here with this delivery, how this is going. Yeah, a little glimpse. Oh man. Oh yeah, we almost out of here. See? That's everything that's coming off. Those are furnaces, heater stuff for houses, home appliances. I don't want the two getting in. Oh yeah, you see it. Those are what I was delivering. So that's them right there. Just getting them off with that machine. What else is going on? Yeah. So that pickup that I have with them, the ATVs, I don't know how that's going right now. I'm calling them. The person that did with my load, she's off today. Everybody keep giving me the runaround. I'm just gonna still try to do what I gotta do. I'm gonna see if I can go pick it up still. That's what I can do right now at the moment. It just happens, man. It's a part of the game. So what can I say? It is what it is. Yeah, they're doing their thing. Yeah, those are what I'm delivering, like those furnace looking things. I don't want it to go in there and, you know, people probably be funny and crap. I don't got time for nobody in their mouth. But we getting the work done. I got one more stop. I called them, told them I'm running late. They said it's fine. Seems like they don't open too late. They don't really got that much because this stop is taking majority of the stuff. So yeah, that's that. But I'm definitely gonna get back to y'all. You realize I'm not on POV. I see my ugly face. I'm bushy. I'm a shave. I know. But yeah, that's that. But listen, people, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the next delivery. And then we're gonna be in a struggle together to see what's going on this road that we're supposed to pick up. Caught up. Peace.